Starting around 17 September 2023, Stepn in a real sense is exchanging at 20 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5%. In especially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. GMT fundamentally has a kind of complete market cap of $205,712,236, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,136,387. This most certainly makes Stepn, GMT, especially positioning at 138 in the digital money market, in an in every way that really matters, significant way. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Stepn cost expectation end of 2023, what will Stepn certainly be fundamentally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Stepn a kind of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking? Will GMT cost basically outperform its untouched high, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking? These truly are our Stepn cost expectations for GMT''S' future, which explicitly is very huge. Stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023, as per the Stepn figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The GMT cost by and large is supposed to explicitly cross a genuinely normal value level of 25 cents, the normal especially least value worth of Stepn, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to, for the most part, be 24 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. Besides, GMT can truly arrive at a very greatest value level of 26 cents. Which in every way that really matters, is very huge. GMT value figure August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Stepn by and large is supposed to especially arrive at a very least value worth of 20 cents, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The GMT cost could in every way that really matters, arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of 22 cents, with the typical cost around 22 cents. In an exceptionally significant manner. GMT value estimate September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Stepn certainly is supposed to by and large arrive at a genuinely least value worth of 21 cents, or so they in every way that really matters thought. The GMT cost could really arrive at an especially greatest cost of 23 cents, with the kind of typical cost around 22 cents. In every practical sense, further appearance how Stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023, as per the Stepn conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT cost by and large is supposed to cross a very normal value level of 25 cents, the normal genuinely least value worth of Stepn toward the finish of the very current year, ought to for the most part be 24 cents, in a kind of huge manner. GMT value estimate October 2023. The Stepn conjecture for October 2023 expects that the GMT may in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of 24 cents, with a truly least cost of around 22 cents, which really is genuinely huge. Discussing the typical value GMT can stretch around 23 cents for October, further appearance how GMT value estimate August 2023, with respect to August 2023, Stepn certainly is supposed to really arrive at a genuinely least value worth of 20 cents, or so they especially thought. Stepn, GMT, value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Stepn for the most part is certainly anticipated to for the most part arrive at a by and large normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of 25 cents. And a fundamentally least of 23 cents, exhibiting how GMT certainly has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $205,712,236 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,136,387, which basically is genuinely critical. Stepn value conjecture December 2023, the in every way that really matters, normal cost of Stepn, GMT, could essentially go to 25 cents, toward the finish of December 2023, in an especially significant manner. GMT could be exchanging around a buy and large greatest worth of 26 cents, with the essentially least expected cost of 24 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Stepn most certainly passed value examination in every way that really matters. Recent hours, the crypto fundamentally has been explicitly diminished by 2.19% in its all things considered current worth, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Assuming we buy in large look at the very current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Stepn truly is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, or so they in a real sense thought. The GMT explicitly is down to nearly 5.73% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days. In every practical sense, further appearance, how discussing the extremely normal value GMT can generally stretch around 23 cents for October. Essentially further appearance how GMT value estimate August 2023, concerning August 2023. Stepn certainly is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a sort of least value worth of 20 cents, which generally is very critical. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for sort of past truly couple of days. The coin could sort of have areas of strength for really yet. We don't generally imagine that it would a beneficial resource in certainly present moment, or so they for the most part thought. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT diminished by 49.126%, wiping out an incredible kind of normal amount of 20 cents from its essentially current worth, exhibiting how in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Stepn cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Stepn for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a decent for the most part purchase, a potential open door for extremely fast speculation, which in every practical sense shows that these sort of are our Stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, or so they generally thought. The 90 days cost change truly is near 64.43%, and the cost generally flowed from a fundamentally least essentially normal cost of 51 cents to in every practical sense, greatest truly normal cost of 59 cents, in the truly beyond 90 days. Which truly shows that Stepn certainly passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been in a real sense diminished by 2.19% in its